Hi students, now we are going to see the sixth chapter trigonometry. Trigonon means triangle, metron means measure. Trigonometry is a Greek word. Now draw the one right angle triangle. Draw one right angle triangle. You know this one is a right angle. Now 90-degree opposite side hypotenuse. Take 90-degree opposite side hypotenuse. Now this one is theta. This one is theta. The angle mentioned by theta. Now AB is the opposite side of theta. AB is the opposite side of theta. BC is the adjacent side of theta. BC is the adjacent side of theta. Hypotenuse simply mentioned by HYP, opposite OPP, adjacent ADJ. Now we are going to see the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, SINE theta, simply denoted by sin theta. SIN theta, sin theta. Read sin theta, not to read sin theta. Sin theta, formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. This one is the cos theta, that is cosine theta. Cosine theta, simply denoted by cos theta. The formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Tangent theta simply denoted by tan theta. Tan theta. The formula is opposite by adjacent. Next one is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta simply denoted by cosec theta. Formula is hypotenuse by opposite. Sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals. Sin theta reciprocal cosecant theta. Cosecant theta reciprocal sin theta. Secant theta simply denoted by SEC theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent. And cos theta, secant theta are reciprocals. Cos theta reciprocal secant theta. Secant theta reciprocal cos theta. Next, cot theta, cotangent theta. Cotangent theta simply denoted by cot theta. The formula is adjacent by opposite. Tan theta reciprocal cot theta. Cot theta reciprocal tan theta. See that one? Sin theta reciprocal opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant theta reciprocal hypotenuse by opposite. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Reciprocal secant theta hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta opposite by adjacent. Reciprocal cot theta adjacent by opposite. First, see the formula properly. And reciprocals. Sin theta equal to, we can write 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to, we can write 1 by sin theta. Similarly, cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. And also write sin theta by cos theta. See that one? Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Divide this two. Divide hypotenuse cancel. We get opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means tan theta. Opposite by adjacent means tan theta. Therefore, tan theta equal to another formula sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. That only. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. And also write cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Similarly, the simplification. Cos theta by sin theta. Now, we are going to see the exercise 6.1 for some From the given figure, find all the trigonometric ratios of angle B. Angle B, given one figure. Now solution is 90-degree opposite take hypotenuse. 90-degree opposite take hypotenuse. We want to find angle B. Mention angle B. Now this one is a opposite side, B opposite side. This one is a adjacent side. Mention opposite adjacent hypotenuse first. Okay. And trigonometric ratios means find sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Trigonometric ratios means sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. We want to find sine B. Sine B equal to, here not theta, B. Then sine B equal to, the formula is opposite by hypotenuse. See that one, opposite 9, hypotenuse 41, 9 by 41. Similarly, cos B equal to, the formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent 40, hypotenuse 41, 40 by 41. Tan B, formula is opposite by adjacent, opposite 9, adjacent 49 by 40. Already you know cosecant, secant, cot are reciprocals. Similarly, cosecant B equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite means 41 by 9. Secant B equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, reciprocal 41 by 40. Cot B equal to reciprocal adjacent by opposite 40 by 9. You get the answer. Second sum, from the given figure, find the values of sin B, secant B, cot B, cos C, tan C, cosecant C. Now one triangle given. Here 3 sides value only you know. 3 sides only given. Now we want to find the sides of the AD and AC. Sides of AD and AC. Now I will take first this triangle ADB. ADB triangle I will take. Now 13, 5. Now this one is a 90 degree opposite side, hypotenuse. Now sin B, secant B, cot B. Then take angle B. Take angle B. B, this one is opposite side. This one is a adjacent side. Now opposite side value don't know. Opposite side value don't know. Then we want to find opposite side value. You know the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what is the formula? Hypotenuse squared equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Hypotenuse squared equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is hypotenuse squared equal to opposite squared plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse squared value 13 squared you know. Opposite don't know. Opposite don't know. And adjacent 5 square. Opposite adjacent 5 square. 13 square value 169. Opposite square 5 square 25. Plus 25 go to that side. Minus 25. And simplify we get 144. We want to find opposite. Opposite squared equal to 144. Opposite is equal to root 144. Root 144 value equal to 12. 12 into 12 equal to 144. Then take 12. This is a length. This one is a sides are mentioned by length. Then take the positive value only. Take the positive value only 12. And take next triangle. Next triangle ADC. ADC next triangle. Here 16. 12 already found. We want to find the hypotenuse value. We want to find the hypotenuse value. Similarly, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square equal to value is opposite square 12 square, value 16 square. 12 square equal to 144, 16 square equal to 16 into 16, 256. Add this value 400. Hypotenuse squared equal to 400. Hypotenuse equal to root of 400. Root of 400, 20 into 20, 400. That is positive value 20. Now sin B, secant B, cot B. We have to write B. Now take this triangle. Take this triangle, write these values. Sin B equal to, the formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse 12 by 13. 12 by 13. Secant B value hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent 13 by 5. 13 by 5 value. And cot B equal to adjacent by opposite formula. Adjacent value 5, opposite value 12. And next we want to find cos C, tan C, cosecant C. C means, now take this triangle. See the triangle. Cos C value, formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value 16, hypotenuse value 20. Up 16 by 20. Next tan C. Tan C means formula opposite by adjacent. Opposite 12, adjacent 16. Up 12 by 16. Cosecant C, the formula is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse value 20, opposite value 12. But 20 by 12. Get the answer. Third sum. If 2 cos theta equal to root 3, then find all the trigonometric ratios of angle theta. Here we want to draw the diagram first. We want to draw the diagram first, ABC. Now I will take this one is a 90 degree and this one is a theta. This one is a theta. See that one. Given 2 cos theta equal to root 3. 2 cos theta equal to root 3. Now multiply 2, go to that side, divide root 3 by 2. Cos theta formula you know. Cos theta formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value. This one is a adjacent value root 3. Adjacent value root 3. Hypotenuse value 2. Hypotenuse value 2. We want to find opposite value. We want to find opposite value by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse squared equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Hypotenuse value 2. 2 squared. Opposite squared we want to find. Adjacent value root 3. Root 3 squared. 2 squared 4. Opposite squared plus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 squared means root 3 into root 3 value equal to 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Now plus 3 go to that side, minus 3. 4 minus 3 equal to opposite square. 1 equal to opposite square. Opposite equal to root 1. Root 1 value 1. Opposite value 1. Now we want to find all the trigonometric ratio. All the trigonometric ratio means sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Sin theta equal to, sin theta formula opposite by hypotenuse. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Cos theta formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value root 3. Hypotenuse value 2. Root 3 by 2. Tan theta formula opposite by adjacent. Opposite value 1. Adjacent value root 3. 1 by root 3. Cosecant theta you know, reciprocal, hypotenuse by opposite 2 by 1. Secant theta reciprocal cos theta, hypotenuse by adjacent, reciprocal take 2 by root 3. And cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta, adjacent by opposite, that is root 3 by 1. We get the answer. Thank you students.